My name is Wayne Mossbarger. Lived in Phoenix since 1973. I'm a husband, father of 3 girls, grandfather of 13, great-grandfather of 11 children. I just like people and like working. I have been working since I was 14 years old. When I retired early to go over to Hawaii to help my daughter in her business. After being there for 3 years, moved back to Phoenix and couldn't stay retired, so I took a part-time job at Ace Hardware, which I just love. One day at the hardware store, I was talking to a customer and I collapsed in his arms. When I came to and got my composure, I realized that I had a problem and that I should go see my doctor. And after a cursory examination, he suggested I see a cardiologist. After I had been under the cardiologist's care for about 3.5 years, he came to me after a series of tests and said, "Wayne, it's time that we sent you to a heart specialist." 2 weeks after that, I was admitted for implementation of 2 stents to increase the blood flow. And 2 weeks after that, I was scheduled for the TAVR procedure. I can't say too much about it because I know what they did. I just never felt anything. If the doctor hadn't been standing next to me when I woke up from the anesthetic and said everything went fine, I would have said to him, "When are you going to start?" Because I felt no pain, no discomfort. It was like going to sleep, waking up and having it from a good dream. That was it. I have not felt this good in 4 or 5 years. I am not winded when I do bicycling. When I go to work, I don't have periods where I'm lightheaded or short of breath. I'm even able to play kickball with my great-grandkids. You know, I'm back to being what I want to be. I've always enjoyed working. I don't want to give that up. I want to go till, you know, I'm 85 or 90 years old, I hope. I've set some high goals for myself, and this was just one of the steps I had to take to make sure that, you know, I reach that goal.